morning, kids. How are you all? I hope you all are safe at your home. Kids, today we will learn English letters E, F, G. Which letter is this? E. And this? F. This? G. So kids, today we will learn these three letters. Okay? First we start from E. E phonic sound is A. E makes a sound A. So kids, related to E, we can learn some pictures and words also. Okay? Kids, let's learn some words related to letter E. E for elephant. E for ear. E for eagle. E for egg. E for eye. So kids, how to write letter E in your copy? Let's go. E for egg. How to write letter E? Kids, I am already taught you about standing line and sleeping line. These E letters beginning from standing line and ending these three sleeping lines. First you can trace a standing line, then join to the standing line, make a sleeping line, then another sleeping line, then another sleeping line. E. Okay, let's go children. How to write E? Look properly. Look properly children. These are some dotted line which I am put here. You have to follow me like this, okay? Let's go. One standing line. Then from here you make a sleeping line. Then another sleeping line. Then another sleeping line. E. Again we are doing sleeping line. E. Starting from standing line and make a sleeping line, three sleeping lines. 1, 2, 3. E. 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 Again E. 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 One standing, then three lines are sleeping. Look properly children, you have to write like this, okay? E is ready. Now children, we will learn letter F. Let's identify some pictures and learn some words also, okay? Related to F. F for fish. F for fan. F for flag. F for fox. F for frog. Which letter is this? F. F make a sound F. The phonic sound of this F is F. F. F for fish. Now, how to write letter F? One standing line, starting with standing line and ending with two sleeping line. Okay? Ending with two sleeping line. I am already taught you children how to write E. In this E, these are three sleeping line. But when you write letter F, you have to put two sleeping lines, not three. Okay? Two sleeping lines make a F, starting with standing line, ending with two sleeping lines. Let's go children, how to write. Now kids, look these dotted lines. Let's start. One sleeping line and one sleeping, another sleeping line. F. Again F. 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 F for fish. F for frog. F for fan. F for fish. Look properly children. How I write F. Letter F. F is ready. Now we will learn letter G. Okay? Let's start. Which letter is this? Letter G. Now children, we will learn letter G. Related to letter G, let's identify some words and picture also. Okay children? Let's start. G. G for girl. G for glass. G for goat. G for grapes. G for gun. How to write letter G? This is also a correct G, but what I am write in your copy, you have to follow the letter G. Okay? G. G makes a sound G. The phonic sound of G is G. So kids, how to write letter G? I am already taught you about curves. Yes or no? Yes. You have to complete this curve and one join and draw one sleeping line. Then come to standing line, small standing line. Okay? How to write letter G? Let's go children. One curve like this. Stop. Next we can go up like this. Then one sleeping line. Then comes down like a standing line. G. Another one curve like this, like a C, then goes up, then sleeping, then down. Again C, up, sleeping, down. Again up, sleeping, down. Again up, sleeping down. Do like this, okay? G. G, like a curve, then up, then sleeping, then down. Again, one curve goes up, then sleeping, then down. One curve goes up, sleeping down. One curve goes up, sleeping down. Curve up, sleeping down. Curve up, sleeping down. Curve up, sleeping down. G is ready. Now kids, we have to repeat this classwork as your homework. E, F, G. Okay? Thank you.